Hey everybody, it's me Joe, and I want to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about 7 movies that can help you learn English. Almost every day, students are asking me, hey Joe, what's a good movie for me to watch to help me learn English? And my main answer is always watch what you like. It's got to be important that you love the story. But I'm finally going to cave in, and I'm going to tell you my list of movies that I think you will love and you will learn English from for a variety of reasons. Also, stick around till the end of the video because there's going to be a tip on different ways to learn from movies. Okay? If you stick around and you see that tip, then you'll find a variety of ways that you can use movies to learn English. Okay? Let's get to the list. So the first movie that I'm going to talk about is kind of old. It's from 1994, and it's called Forrest Gump. Okay? And it stars Tom Hanks. And this is a great movie. It has a variety of American accents in it from all over the country. Some city accents, some country accents, some way down south. And this will help you practice getting that American accent. Also, it has many scenes in different parts of American 20th century history. So you'll learn English, but you'll also learn about American history. All right? Win-win. Number 2 is from 2012. It's called The Hunger Games, and it's starring Jennifer Lawrence. Now, this one is from the future. All right? There's a country where a big war happened, and now children are chosen to fight in these gladiatorial battles where they have to fight and kill each other. It's a little strange story, but they're wonderful action, and the action in the story is so well done. Even if you miss some of the words, you can still understand what's going on. Number 3 is another old movie, but one of my all-time favorites, Toy Story from 1995. And this stars Tom Hanks and Tim Allen. And I don't know if you've seen it, but they are toys in a little boy's toy box. He has these toys. One of them is a cowboy doll. The other one is a space ranger doll. And it's an animated movie. It's funny. There's lovable characters. There's tons of jokes and action and lots of dialogue that you will love. Movie number 4 is from 2010, and this is a suspenseful movie. It's called Shutter Island. Okay? And this stars Leonardo DiCaprio and Mark Ruffalo. Fantastic movie. Lots of mystery and suspense in this movie, and you might feel scared, but it's a great movie because I think you will be interested in the story and you'll keep watching. Number 5 is The Sixth Sense. This is an older movie from 1999, and it's a scary story. It stars Bruce Willis and a young actor named Haley Joel Osment. And the thing about the movie is the little boy, he can see ghosts. And nobody believes him. It's a very scary story. Very, very well done. You will be scared, but it's a fantastic story. Let's go another modern story. Number 6 is Jumanji, Welcome to the Jungle from 2017. This one is starring Dwayne Johnson and Kevin Hart and Jack Black. And this is an exciting action comedy. And the main characters in the movie are all high school students. Even though they get changed into different people's bodies, they're from high school, so they use a lot of young English, young people's English. So that can be interesting for you to watch and learn from. And the last movie is from 2018, and maybe you've already seen it, Avengers Infinity War. All right, you remember those movies? Robert Downey Jr., Chris Hemsworth, and a whole bunch of other stars. It was a Marvel superhero movie. This is a fun movie, lots of action. And because you've already probably seen it in your own language, maybe seeing it again in English, it'll be easier for you. So those are the 7 movies I want to suggest to you. And right now, if you click on this link of this video coming up here, you'll be able to find many ways to learn from movies. I hope you check it out. That's it.